How to replace a side mirror on a Ford Escape 2008 to 2011. First, you're going to want to roll down your window so you can easily access the inside and outside of your vehicle. Next, you're going to want to pop off the corner trim piece with a flathead screwdriver, and then underneath that trim piece you'll want to remove 3 bolts with a 10mm wrench or ratcheting wrench. You're going to want to be very careful when you remove that bottom bolt. That way it doesn't fall below into the door. Otherwise, you're going to have to get into removing the entire door trim to get that bolt back out. Next, you'll need to unclip the electrical connector. There's a little tab on the right that you'll press down, and then you'll pull the electrical connector straight out. Then you'll be able to remove the mirror. You can remove the mirror by wiggling a little bit and then pulling that also straight out. You can now install the new mirror by pushing it on. You're going to want to make sure you have a good seal. Then reinstalling the 3 bolts. Screw those back on with a 10mm wrench, and then you'll want to reclip the electrical connector. You'll know the electrical connector is in all the way when you hear a clicking sound. You can go ahead and snap that trim piece back on, and now you're all set. All of the parts that were used in this video are linked below. Thank you a lot for watching, and good luck.